Welcome to Dr. Ambedkar Open University. We will be discussing about international and national networks. Brief history of networks in India. In India, national networks like InflibNet and Delnet, they were very much instrumental in promoting resource sharing and reducing the repetitive tasks. These networks, along with digital initiatives like National Digital Library and National Digital Library and e-Pathashala, has significantly contributed to the digital transformation of libraries, making the information more accessible to the students across the country. The history of library networks in India may be divided into 5 pieces. Anyway, that we'll talk like we'll summarize that. 60 to 70, similar to global research, Indian libraries started exploring the means of library networks, library consortia. Then initial stages were there in Bombay and Delhi libraries. They started sharing their records. The beginning. Then in the beginning also they saw, because of main computers and mainframe computers and mini computers, library automations in very big cities took place. Then 1991, UGC established InflibNet and took the major work of networking. It aimed at facilitating resource sharing among academic libraries through a national network, and this network brought about so much of development. And they also initiated SOL, that is software for university libraries, was produced by InflibNet. Developing library network. First they started with Delhi library network, and it was only to all the cities in Delhi, but afterwards it became across India, and it is named as Developing Library Network. In 1990, we could see CDS and ISS. We have talked about that earlier also. Computerized development documentation services, integrated set of information system. This was started, and InStock was the first one to implement. Then they all started using it for bibliographic records and information access. The introduction of Vinisys in 1990 also was a big Windows based one, and it brought about more enhancement to the resources and development. Network technologies. Advancement in network technologies allowed for the establishment of regional library networks and greater connectivity. Digital initiative. The launch of initiatives like National Digital Library, we already told, and National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. This initiative brought about lot of resources to the student, e-resources, and they could provide more digital content access to the students and also the users. Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. These projects are, Shodh Ganga is the digital repository of theses and dissertations of InflibNet provides this, and Shodh Gangotri is the repository of research proposals. So they contain research proposals focused on promoting research visibility and accessibility. Present day we have Koha and SOL. They are most widely known in Indian libraries, offering a comprehensive management of library functions. They use even multilingual catalogs, resource sharing, and integration with national networks. Initiatives are e-Pathashala, we provide resources to the postgraduate student. ERNET, Education and Research Network, that provides e-resources to the student. This supports high speed connectivity and infrastructure for online and research sharing. That is very important. International library networks. Online computer library network. We should discuss anywhere anyone discusses network, they will never forget to mention OCLC, because it has been very much instrumental. It is worldwide popular. It was started in 1967 in Ohio to only focus on Ohio library cities were sharing. Later on it extended to all the US countries, then even beyond US, and in 2017 it became operative and it was known as Online Computer Libraries. Earlier it was known as Ohio College Library Center. Then later on in 2017 it was named as Online Computer Library Center. It works with 30,000 plus members in 100 plus countries are members, and they are not restricted to any university library or all universities, academic, public, school, museum libraries. It is a global cooperative network that provides technology services, original research and community program for its members. The Online Library Center has a significant role in networks, contributing collaboration, resource sharing and improvement of library services. WorldCat. What is WorldCat? World Cataloging. I told you it has all the resources across across all the countries and worldwide. So it is known as WorldCat. There are many people, there are 33,000, we just told you 33,000 records, and plus 100 countries are participating. They are all called member libraries. Only member libraries can access the full text or download the resources. If they are not member, they have to pay for it. It has the records of library holdings from public as well as private. It is the largest OPAC in the world. WorldCat records including books, manuscripts, archives, periodicals, maps, films, online resources, etc. The WorldCat search catalog revealed that it is used by more than 72,000 libraries worldwide. This shared catalog enhances resource discovery and facilitate inter-library known. That means from other libraries can request for an article, they will provide it. And students also use it for project purpose. It has a world discovery service. It lets people search for electronic and physical resources through a single search of WorldCat. Now it has become very popular discovery service. All the resources, irrespective of the type, theses, books, serials, journal, everything in under single platform, single interface. The students will be very delighted with this tool. The tool works with an algorithms which refines the search and help the users to apply filters by format, date, location and other services. A single search box, only a search box can retrieve a central index of 3,156 content. It has e-books collection from publishers Procast, EBSCO and Elsevier. Open access resources are included. They are all from very big publishers, Oxford University Press, Project Gutenberg, etc. The first searcher is a powerful database which retrieves web resources, catalog of books, web resources, multiple databases. Article firsts, users can access full text from journals located in multiple databases. It is available from Z39.50 server of OCLC. Then it provides bibliographic, abstract and full text information to anyone through WorldCat platform. OCL services, they have electronic journals program, WorldShare e-services, and electronic journal program provides in all the resources journals in science, technology and mathematics. WorldShare is they can access any resource regardless of location from EZ proxy server. So they have authentication, they will give the authentication for their members to resource. So totally it provides e-resource workflow, acquisitions, metadata, license management, access and discovery. WorldShare management services, it's a cloud-based service platform to manage electronic as well as physical resources. The experts manage it. Experts in library consultants, they manage this. Content DM is a digital management software. It is also provided by OCLC. Then they help libraries to build, preserve and showcase their digital assets. Web Junction is for the library professionals to build knowledge, skills and confidence among themselves. Apart from this, it provides promoting libraries cooperation, promoting library management tools, conducting research and innovation, maintaining standards, advocating for libraries. These every 2 minutes, so many libraries search in the search box of first search of OCLC. It is a powerful tool which can manage e-resources. We can provide physical resources and they maintain standards. So they are globally very famous for contributing to network initiative and all, and sharing the resources from standard databases. They have standard databases and curated ones. They share with that intention that everybody should have access to the standardized record and correct records. So through its various initiatives of OCLC contributes to overall growth and development of library networks worldwide, and it helps other libraries to even records which are in manuscript form, old library records, archives and artifacts are also available with OCLC. Now, and mainly manuscripts, we don't get access to manuscripts. They have records of manuscripts also. So they maintain it very well, and they have been functioning from 1967 till date, and is the most important worldwide network which is providing services to not only to Ohio but also US, all the states in USA. Beyond USA, it started providing in 2017, which I already mentioned, and after that it has been powerful and very competitive, very what you call very competitive, and others had to take advice and expertise from OCLC to provide and maintain databases, and OCLC services are known worldwide for overall growth and development of library networks. Thank you so much.